Hi guys, in this video we will see how to convert number into text in your Microsoft Excel. Very easy. If you want to convert numbers into text, here are the process, here are the formulas to convert numbers into text. First, take any number which you want to convert into text, and here equal to sign, start with equal to sign, equal to number to words, bracket start, and select the cell, close the bracket and press enter, and you can see your number is successfully converted into text. Now drag this cell and you can see automatically all your number is converted into text. This is very easy formula, Excel trick.